Crooked nose is another popular topic, and patients after bar fights or other incidents of minding their own business and being punched, it can end up with broken noses. Sometimes crooked noses can be congenital. And it's usually due to a deformity of the bony cartilaginous skeleton of the nose. Often there can be an accompanying airway problem which needs to be addressed. And this is sort of demonstrated here. If this, imagine a cross-section through this gentleman's nose, you might see something like this where the bones have been crumpled in. It may be due to surgery, due to an osteotomy that was done and caused too much collapse of the nasal airway, causing an asymmetric appearing nose. In these cases, functional anesthetic surgeries intersect. So you're doing something to fix the aesthetics of the nose in addition to improving the nasal airway. As I mentioned earlier, getting somebody to be 100% straight with a crooked nose is unlikely. Sometimes you hit a home run. Sometimes it's due to pure luck, because with rhinoplasty, things may not always heal exactly the way you intend them to because it takes such a long time. And there's a three-dimensional structure that needs to heal over time, and sometimes things might shift a little, and that's why crooked noses are one of the more difficult things to correct 100%. So to do this, we not only manipulate the bony cartilaginous skeleton of the nose, but we may use camouflaging techniques and grafts from other parts of the body to give the appearance of a straight external nose, even though the underneath skeleton may not be perfectly symmetric. And this is an example about as straight as one can get. After this, the nose is pointed off to the left before surgery, and afterwards is relatively straight after doing a manipulation of the bone and cartilage and using grafting techniques to get the nose straighter. Another example of somebody who had a traumatic nasal deformity that healed incorrectly with a bulge out here, and then after doing osteotomies and in addition to that a little bit of tip work to get the straighter appearance to the nose.